Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your new month reading, November 2021 love reading, and this will be a general reading. It may resonate you and may not. Please see those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it, as you are know that I do new month reading in a Celtic cross spread. So this is your Celtic cross spread, and I have already shuffled cards and spread them out. So let's start your reading, Sagittarius. Underneath, you are having Nine of Swords and Three of Wands. Here, I'm picking up a message that you were in a anxiety, and maybe you were, or you are, or you will in the month of November, in too much anxiety, sleepless night, something bothering you. Maybe you are missing your person. You cry overnight by while thinking about them. This kind of situation is giving you worries, or maybe it's just a worry for your future. What will be your future if you are not with your person now? You are worried for your future. What will happen to you next? So now you are waiting for a right time. Now you are waiting for a good time come towards you. And I'm seeing that good times are coming towards you. Your ships are coming towards you because you were waiting for a long. So waiting periods will going to over in the month of November, but there is little time more ahead. So your theme will be in the month of November is Two of Pentacles. Here your theme is Two of Pentacles. So you are juggling. Maybe you are having a lot of options, or maybe just two options, and you are juggling. You are not able to make decision regarding love life, about your person. This is a theme that you are juggling what to do, what not to do. If you are away from your person, if you are having breakup with your person, so you are just juggling what you should do to make this connection working again, or what you should do. Should you take this relationship back in your life, or should you leave? You should leave this relationship. You are just juggling, and this will be a theme for the month, because why you are juggling, what challenging you is the Four Pentacle. Like you just don't compromise on your security. That's why you are juggling. You think that this person cannot give you the security what you want in your life, or this person cannot give you the security of future security of this connection. Like whatever happened before, you cannot trust that person, that this person will not do that things again in future. So this is your security insecurities. That's why you're holding yourself back, and you're holding your self-worth. You are trying to secure your self-worth, your respect. You want to live in a respectful environment. Maybe this person is not giving you. That's why you're juggling. That's why your theme of the month is just juggling. You're just juggling because of those insecurities who are becoming challenge for you. Securities are becoming challenge for you. Insecurities. So this is a challenge for you. If it's a financial situation, if you we see it in a other perspective, like in a work situation, you are juggling between two things, between two jobs, between two businesses, or maybe you are trying to manage two businesses at a time, or you are trying to manage two jobs at a time. So that's why this will be a challenge for you to secure your work, or secure your finances, generate finances and secure them. Or maybe you're trying to have enough finances for yourself, so that you cannot have financial insecurities in future. So this is the biggest challenge for you. You want to earn lot money to make yourself secure in front of others. So if it's a love life situation where whether it's love life or whether it's a work life, you are having big success, or maybe you were successful in something, you got success in something in near in your recent past, like before 3 to 6 months, um, or maybe 2 or 3 months. So, or maybe just a previous month you got some kind of success in your work life, or maybe in your love life. If it's a loveless situation, you want to come out from this anxiety. You wanted to come out from this anxiety. You wanted to come out from this situation successfully, whether alone or whether with your person. So in your mind you don't want to take any risk, or if you are, it's like that, in your mind you want to take this risk again. Like if you wanted this person back in your life, as I'm seeing that here, page of cup, you want this person again in your life, or maybe you just want a new start in your love life with someone else. You are trying to, or maybe you are ready to take risk with another person in your love life, or it's like that you are ready to take a new start in your previous connection. So these are the very much bold decisions. I'm saying that these are very much bold decisions, because you are getting a lot of strength for this. This time you are very much strong, so that's why you are taking these kind of bold decisions for yourself. So this strongness, this strength is lead to this situation. This strength lead you to this situation where you are ready to take a new start in your life, whether it's alone, whether it's with your person. You are trying to secure yourself, and you are trying to manage your finances, and trying to make yourself financially secure, or you want to secure your self esteem, your respect from the person. So these kind of decisions are very much bold. So now I'm saying that now you want to take a new start in your relationship, and now you want to forgive your person, because I'm seeing that here, page of cup card. So you want to forgive your person, or maybe you want forgiveness from your person if you have done wrong. So you, or it's not a forgiveness, or is forgiveness kind of thing. It can be a situation. Now you want to uh, resolve the problem. Now this is, your energies are at a point where you want to resolve the situation. Now if you resolve, your person will take the biggest step than you. Your person will come towards you with stability. Whatever you want in your life, this person will come towards you with stability, because it's a high priest, like it's a Hierophant card. So your person will try to give you mutual collaboration and stability in this connection. Again, they want to build a connection. They want to, if you are married, this person wants to rebuild this marriage situation, this marriage connection with you. So rebuilding is coming in this connection towards you, and your desire and your wish is to have this growth, is this luxurious growth in this connection. So you want to nurture this connection. You want the empress luxury in your relationship, or maybe it's just you want to nurture this connection motherly, or it's like that you are growing your business, uh, or maybe you are trying to nurture your business, or you're to have the financial security. So I'm seeing that things are getting better with you, but the outcome is five of wands. If it's a work situation, you are trying to juggle between two jobs or two business, or maybe you're trying to secure your finances. For this, you are having a lot of competitor around you. So you to to compete these competitors, you are indulging yourself lot of projects. You are trying to do new projects in your work, so that this can help you build your business in a good with good reputation, and good with with more success. Or it's like that, if it's a love situation, your person is you both will ready to build this connection again with mutual collaboration, but there will be a challenge for you. People around by people around you, maybe you have to face these people, and this will be something difficult for you in month of November. But if you want to rebuild this connection, then you have to face this challenge, this 5 of Wands, this fight, this those people who don't want, or people who are jealous from your relationship. Because of these people, maybe you are suffering a lot in this connection. So you have to these people are trying to um, push you, like these people are jealous from you, and these people are jealous of your or your connection with this person. I have clarified this page of cup. What will be this page of cup from your side? If you are taking step, you should take a step or not. So first card here, 2 of Wands. You have to make a decision, or maybe you made a decision for yourself. This is the situation where you have made a decision that now things should be resolved between you and your person. For this, you have to communicate a lot. You have to communicate with your person. It's a 9 of Swords again. So you have to come out from this 9 of Swords situation, 5 of Swords situation. Maybe it's a conflict is giving you anxiety and sleepless night. You have to come out from this situation. You have made a decision that you should communicate to this your person. You want second chance now, but something toxic here. You want to come out from this toxicity and this regret, because you are a lot juggling here. So you have to communicate, or maybe you are looking for your person to come back towards you. So you're having new communication. You are ready to communicate with your person. This is a new start of a communication between you and your person. So communication can happen whether it's from your side or whether it's from your person's side. So communication is a key which can lead you to this mutual collaboration and rebuilding of this connection. So your romance angel oracle messages are here. True love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So this is your true love. Whoever this person, maybe it's a past person, or maybe it's a new person. Whoever this person is a true love. This is the romance of your lifetime. This person is your lifetime romance. So this is your soulmate connection. It's a lifetime connection for you, and you have to be stay optimistic about this relationship. Positive thinking. If you think positively in this connection, if you try to, if you are ready to resolve things, if you are ready to resolve things, this will be a there is a time you have to think positive and don't think past things. So you need to clear your mind first, so then your connection can go to the next level. So Sagittarius, that was your reading. If it resonates, you please let me confirm to the comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.